morning students. Today I am going to take mathematics and this is the third session for the 8th standard in mathematics subject. In the previous class we have completed the exercise 1.1 and this is the new exercise 1.2. Okay students, look at your textbooks. What they have given is in the following find the digits represented by the letters. Okay, they have given here some of the problems. In that, instead of numbers they have represented with the letters. We have to find the what is the value of that alphabet, of that letter. In the following find the digits represented by the letters. Okay, what they have given here, first one is 3 plus b equals to 7. Now we have to find the value of b. So what we have to do is, so if subtract 3 from the 7 minus 3, what will get? 7. If you deduct 3 means what is the answer? 4. So if we written 4 here, 3 plus 4, 3 in the mind 4 fingers, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got the answer 7 here. Therefore b equals to 4. What is students? It's a very simple method. So if we deduct this number 7 minus 3, we will get the automatically b. What is the value of b? Okay, the value of b is how much? 4. So 3 plus 4 equals to 7 and the value of b equals to, therefore value of b is equals to 4. Next come to the b one, second one. What is that? 1 6 plus 1 plus 2 a. Here what they have given? B and 1 here. Okay students, now first do this one. 6 plus a equals to 1. So if you want to find the value of a, so you have to deduct 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is how much? 5. So value of the 6 plus a is 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, when you had 6 plus 5 you get 11. So 1 carry 1 here. Okay students, 1 you should carry here, it will become 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is the value of a and the value of b is how much? 4. So how we can write it one? 1 6 plus 2 5. 6 plus 5 is 1. 1 carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, the value of a is 5 and the value of b is how much? 4. Got it students? Okay, next we go for the third one. Third one is 2a into a. Okay, and answer they have given is 12a. Okay, these three numbers should be same. The value of the a should be same. If we have taken in the value of a equals to 1, 1 1 is 1. Okay, 1 you get here. Okay, 1 2 is 2, but we got here a 12. so 1 is not the answer. If you take the 2 and 2 here, 2 into 2 is 4, you get here 4, 2 2s are 4. Okay, that will answer will won't get. Next come for the 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9. Here will be a 9, but 3 number should be same. 3 3 3. Okay, but we got the answer here 9, so it's wrong. Next go for the fourth one. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry 6. Here will be 4. Here will be 4, but here it is 6, so it's also wrong. When you take 5. 5 into 5 is 25. To carry 5 you write here. Okay. A 5 5 5. So it's correct. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So A is equals to 5 to 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. To carry here 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is how much? 12. Okay. The value of A is equals to how much? 5. This is third one. Next go for the fourth one. What they have given here is fourth one is 1 A and 1 A. Okay, addition that has to do, and the answer is 2 A. So if we add these 2 A, we should get the answer here same. Okay, same number should be here, and these 6 A's are there. No, 6 A should be a same value, but here 1 plus 1 they have given 2 already. If we have written 1 and 1 here, it will become 2 answers. So it's wrong because they have given here A itself. So 3 number should be a same number. Here also this 3 number should be a same answer. Then what you have to take? You have to take it as A is equals to 0. Okay, in the value of A, if I take a 0, if you had this one 1 plus 0, 0, 2. Okay, got students? All the 3 are same. That's because the value of A is same here. A. And this is also A. So, the value of A is equals to how much? 0. So, if we add this one, we got the answer 200. Now, next come for the fifth one. 1A. Okay, multiplication they have given here. The answer should be 1BA. So, better to take it a 5 itself. If you take a, first you start from the 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. So, you write 1 here itself. 1 ones are 1. Take by taking 11 into 11, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, plus 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So the 1, 2, 1. Okay, it's correct. The value of A is 1 because if you multiply with the 1 and 1, we'll get answer as the 1 here. Okay, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, you get the answer 122. So, the value of A is equals to 1 and the value of B is equals to how much? 2. By adding this, we got the 2 here, 121. Next come for the sixth one. Sixth one is 3A into A. Okay, 2B A. These 3 numbers should be same and here get the other number. Lastly, we should get the 2. So first you try from the second number 1 itself. Okay, 31 into 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 3 is 3. We got only 3 numbers, so it's wrong. So next go for the 33 into 3. 3 3 is 9 and 3 is 9. But we have got here 3 digits. So better to take 5. 35 into 5. 5 5 is 25. So A same. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is how much? 15 plus 2 is 16 17. So it's also wrong. Then what you should take? Okay, here we got the B as 2 here, 2 as 2 and B as 1 and A as 6. So, value of A therefore value of A is equals to 6 and the value of B is equals to 1. Got it now, children? This completes your first row number and go for the second row number. In the adjacent sum, A, B, C are consecutive digits. In the third row, A, B, C appears in the same order. Find A, B, C. Okay, in the addition they have given a 3 alphabets, that is A and B, A, B, C. Okay. First they have given, in first row A, B, C they have given, and second row they have given C, B, A. Find A, B, C. Now we have to find the last row, third row, and also they have given here answer also along with that. We have to check it by step by taking the different numbers there. Okay, students, first I will copy the question on the board and I will start doing the problem. Up to now, if you have any doubts regarding that one, please call me, children, and you can clarify your doubts also. In the adjacent sum, A, B, C are consecutive digits. In the third row, A, B, C appear in some order. Now find A, B, C. What they have given here? A, B, C plus C, B, A plus dash dash dash, and the answer is 1, 2, 4, 2. So now we have to find the third one. First order they have given A, B, C. First row, second row they have given C, B, A. Third maybe it may be in any order. It may be a B, A, C or A, C, B. Okay, students. Now we have to find these 3 numbers, and also then it should be equal to the answer. First you take it A. Take A is equals to 1 B is equals to 2 and C is equals to 3. So what do you get here? A, B, C. 1, 2, 3 plus C is the value of 3 and B is the value of 2 and A is the value of 1 plus dash dash dash. Okay, by taking this 3 plus 1 you get 4 here. Two plus 2 also you get 2 here. 3 plus 1 you get here as a 4 itself. So it's not correct because we got the answer is 1, 2, 4, 2. So first we will take down the answer here. 1, 2, 4, 2. In any order, the relevant is not equal to the given number. Okay, because here we have two answers. But 3 plus 1 you get a 4. If you add any number, again the number will increase. So A is not equals to 1 and B is also not equal to 2 and C is also not equal to 3. Okay students, now take the another step. This is the first step and take other numbers also. A equals to 2 and B equals to 3 and 4 equals to, sorry, C is equals to 4. Means we are checking all these numbers. A, B, C means 2, 3 and 4 plus what is the value of C? 4. B value is 3 and 2. Just dash dash dash. We got the answer is 1, 2, 4, 2. So in this also is not belongs to 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. But we got here answer as 2. So it's a wrong. A is not belongs to 2. B is also not equal to 3 and C is also not equal to 4. Next take the last step. Take A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4 and C is equals to 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5 plus 5, 4, 3 plus answer is 1, 2, 4, 4, 2. Then what you have to do that one? 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. Okay, if you get to 2, then what you should add for that? 8 plus 4 will get as a 12. Okay, what is the value of A? That is B. So what you should write here? 4. Okay, this is the value of B. Okay, 8 plus 4 is for you. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 carry 2 here. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, to get 4 what you should add? 9 plus how much you should add? 5. If we add 5 for that, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14. Write down 1 carry here 4. Okay, this is the value, 5 is the value of C, 4 is the value of B. And here already value of A is here and also the value of C is here. And what is left? 5, 4, 3. 3, B, C, A. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. We got the answer 1, 2, 4, 2. So A is equals to 3. Therefore, A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 4 and C is equals to 5. If we take any numbers in the same way, that is B, C, 3, B, C, 8, but the answer what we get it will be wrong. But in this case, it has become correct. So therefore, A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4 and C is equals to 5. This completes your exercise 1.2. In the next class, we will start the new exercise 1.3. Okay, students. Did you got it? If you have any doubts regarding this, first call me students. Okay? Or else you can text me also. If you don't understand, you can take these numbers and you can do this one. 3 plus 1 is 4, but we got the here 2. If we add 4, if you want to get 2 means how much you should add for that? It will become 4. 4 plus 8. Oh, is there any value here 8? So this will be not belong to that. But lastly we got the answer, that is the value of A is equals to 3, B is equals to 4 and C is equals to 5 students. In the next class I will start the division in the same. It is also in the same lesson itself. Okay students, if you have any doubts regarding these problems, call me students.